Okay, the Fed minutes have come out. The Fed meeting has happened. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly what's going on, what you should be expecting in the crypto market, the stock market, everything in this video. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the very end of this video, and make sure you are subscribed with notifications on. You do not want to be missing these time-sensitive videos. So let's get into the data. So what has happened? The Fed minutes have come out, and that reveals that they raised interest rates, like I said they would, by 25 basis points. I could have been wrong, so I'm not a genius for guessing 25 basis points. But the Fed statements are usually the same. They keep rolling them over into each and every single month. But they made some changes on this Fed statement, which can be interpreted as bullish, but is honestly a dud. Nothing massively has changed in this report. But basically, the Fed has raised interest rates to 25 basis points. The policy statement for the first time softens the rate guidance in a way consistent with past pauses. They deleted reference to some additional policy firming may be appropriate and unanimous decision. So the difference in what came out in this Fed minutes today, the statement, the FOMC statement, is that the Fed took out language showing that they're going to keep rates higher for longer. And what they're doing is they're opening up the door to potentially pause, but it's only going to be based on data. So inflation, they're saying, is still very high, but they said in the future, depending on how low inflation can go, if it can go lower faster than expected, they will consider pausing and potentially pivoting. Pivoting has not been a word that they've used, but they have mentioned the word pause, which means they're going to pause raising rates, pause from continuing to raise rates, which honestly the market will react in a very bullish way. The market has been anticipating today that the Fed was going to pause. It didn't happen. The market is also pricing in that the market is going to pause next month. That's probably also not going to happen. So the market is pricing this in and moving in accordance with the thought that it's actually going to do something that it's not going to do. When it actually happens and it's not done, is going to likely crash the market. So right now, I believe cryptocurrencies are going to head lower. I can be completely wrong, and that we're likely going to crash this month of May. If we go into the charts, I can show you exactly my thoughts. Bitcoin is down for the day. It's actually lower than where we started. We also need to take a look at Ethereum, some of the altcoins. They pumped, but they're heading lower now. There's a couple of other things. The dollar, it has bounced up, but initially had a bearish reaction to this news. That S&P 500 is crashing right now. It's making new lows. The SPY is crashing. It's going lower. And guess what? I was saying in my video yesterday, which I highly recommend you watch, the market is pricing in something that is not going to be done today, and we're likely going to see a crash as a result. So that's what's happening. And now what I'm doing right now is I'm shorting Ethereum. I'm shorting cryptocurrencies, and you can have access to my short alerts by joining the Patreon, where I'm putting out insanely profitable trade alerts every single week, guaranteed to your money back. And we're shorting over on BitGet, which is one of the best trading platforms out there. In my opinion, it's something that I trade every single day on. But I have a trading competition where you can win personally $10,000 this month. Make sure you are signed up with the link in my video description. And after you are signed up, you join the tournament. If you are in the US, you will need to use NordVPN. I recommend putting your country in Mexico when you change your location, just to log in and sign up. That's it. You guys need to try my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. It tells you before pumps and crashes happen. Look, it gives you a buy alert and Ethereum pumps. It gives the sell alert. Look over here, and the market crashes. Try this thing for free right now at ALGOSNIPER.com. Everything I'm mentioning is going to be linked in my video description. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure you check out my previous videos. So much I have to offer you on this channel. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing, notifications on, and I'll see you later.